Yields are jumping this morning, especially in the short end, and that short end is pressuring stocks on the whole. As I speak to you right now, very important we go through the stocks first. The Dow's down 1.5%. NASDAQ down 1.25%. S&P down around 1.25%. The Russell just short of that, 1.17%. And that yield spike is very dramatic. As of Thursday of last week, the 2-year was at 91 basis points, at 102 right now. 5-year was 147, it's at 162. The 10-year was at 170, it's at 183. The 30-year, 205, it's at 216. Again, the bigger moves are on the shorter end, or I should say the more dramatic move. That 2-year note above 1%, that's the first time since February of 2020. When you look at the yield curve, only a slight steepening in the yield curve. 2s10s from 79 to 81, 2s30s from 113 to 114. So not much movement in terms of the shape of the curve. Goldman Sachs earnings were strong, but stocks are still under pressure. The stock of Goldman Sachs is 2% lower as I speak to you right now. Crude oil jumped above $85 a barrel here in the U.S. WTI crude hit its highest level since October 21st of 2020 after Houthi rebels attacked targets in the UAE with drones. That's kind of affecting the continued tightness that we've seen lately in the perception of the oil market. It's imbalanced from the demand side of things to the supply side of things. We had Brent crude get to its highest level in 7 years. Now looking ahead, earnings after the close, we've got J.B. Hunt, so a trucking company, Interactive Brokers, who might get some insight into retail trading volumes. And then tomorrow, United Health, Procter & Gamble, Bank of America, and Morgan Stanley. I also mentioned Goldman Sachs earlier this morning, so wrapping up the big bank earnings anyway. And then in terms of data, German, UK, and Canadian inflation data tomorrow morning. Also a speech by Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey. Then more U.S. housing data in the form of housing starts and building permits.